Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your battery activity on your Samsung or Android phone. So do a swipe up and go to settings and tap on battery. From here, scroll a bit down to where you find today. It will most likely say today, but if you tap on this, this will take you into your battery activity. And as you can see here at the top, it gives you the days. So it may start like a week, and you will see a few days back, which is I'm seeing mine from the 12th, and you can also see up to the current date. Now, you can also go back and you can switch it for like the last time you charge your phone. So since last charge, you can tap on that and it gives you even a more wider range to see how you use your battery. So let me just focus on since last charge for now and tap on that. Now you can see how much percentage you're using in terms of application. So if you scroll here, you can see which application you use and how much of your battery life it takes up, right? If you want to see for just today, you can go back and tap on that, select today, tap on it again, and you can see information such as the battery usage, the screen on time, how many, let's say, average time that you spent on your phone. You can also see the screen off time, how much time you are not on your phone, and it gives you a little graph here, let's say a bar graph to show you how much you use per day. Also, if you scroll down as well, you can see the time. You can see like a bar graph again to show you the peak times of when you're mostly on your phone. And of course, if you scroll down, you can see the apps that actually use on your phone and how many percentage of your battery life that actually use. This is very important stuff, guys, and it's very useful because once you know what kind of application is actually taking up your battery life, what you can do as a bonus, I'm going to show you this. You can simply go back to your phone here. You can simply go back to your battery and you can tap on background usage limits. And from here, you can easily set up apps to sleep. So you can go to sleeping apps and you can add applications here. If you realize that these apps are taking up your battery life, you can put applications here within sleeping apps, and you can also put them in deep sleeping apps, so these applications will not run in the background and take up and use your battery life. So with that said, your battery life will last longer and you don't have to charge your phone so often. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.